Good morning students, welcome to Information Technology online class. This is Suguna from Good Samaritan School. We are going to continue the same chapter part B unit 6 Introduction to IT and ITES industry. In this chapter we are going to learn about IT enabled services in India and ICT in education. First of all, you have to understand what is meant by IT enabled services. That is information technology enabled services. It is defined as outsourcing of processes that can be enabled with information technology and covers diverse areas like finance, HR, administration, healthcare, and telecommunication and manufacturing, etc. Here, outsourcing here means to giving work up to other people, possibly due to lower cost of operation or better quality or both. Next is ITES services. Some of the services offered include medical transcription, data processing, data entry and processing, data warehousing, IT desk services, application development, enterprise resource planning, and telecommunication services. These are the fields where IT is used. Next is BPO, business processing outsourcing. What is meant by business processing outsourcing? The business processing outsourcing services means performing business corrections through an outside service provider. This is the sizable source of income for many countries. The BPO services often help in the following set of industries: customer care of big companies, financial sectors and bank, testing software item, and healthcare proportion. And the next is BPM, Business Process Management. What is meant by BPM? Business Process Management is a discipline in operations management in which people use various methods to discover, model, analyze, measure, improve, optimize, and automate business processes. This has to do with the analysis, reporting, creation, running, and management of the processor involved in running a company. There are some reasons for the growth of the BPO market within the India. It is a cost-effective one. The IT BPO industry is a cost-effective strategy in both the demand and supply standpoint. Foreign companies were encouraged to explore other locations to lower operating costs without devaluing the quality of services. And the next is supported by the government. The government of India encouraged the BPO industry and provides infrastructure to the industry. And the next, it open new jobs. Indians are developing the skills as an educated nation. Many of the skills required by the BPO industry come easy for the educated employees. So the BPO industry is provide employment to many of the educated people of India. In education, information communication technology in education is a model of education that use information and communication technology to support, enhance and optimize the delivery of information. Even the books you are studying in the classroom and homes are made using a computer. The design and layout of the page and page size of the book are set on the computer, and finally the books comes in your hand. There are online encyclopedias like Wikipedia that are free to use and give a wealth of information to anyone willing to learn from the website. Student, you can access the information from the net whenever and wherever you want. Student, recall all this topic. The chapter 6 has been completed. Thank you.